Ano yung mga farmers, pagpunta ako sa bukid, including my daughter, Inday, tanong kami ng farmer, ilan ang anak mo? Magsa, 6 mo, 7. Sus Marius. Kaya ang isang kulang na lang natin actually, na how to get it started and, get it rolling beginning at least in the next 3 years. Yang ibalik ninyo yung family planning. I know of only 2 guys, presidents, who did it. And it was Ramos, who was a Protestant, and ako, na talagang pinipilit ko sa aking siyudad ang land reform. You can ask any guy from Davao. Yung dito ngayon at taga Davao, tanongin ninyo. Sa Davao, yung drawer ko sa punong-puno yan ng pills. Pills para hindi mga anak. Yung iba, tinatago ko rin para akin. Pero, yung mga babae, pangangailangan ng trabaho, I tell her, okay, you come back to me after you deliver your baby. But have yourself legation. Pag walang legation, di kita matutulungan. Kasi ako, ang policy ko, tumutulong ako. If you're dying, I will help you. But I will just say that I will give you money to ease the pain. Kasi pamamatay na yan, magsasayang ako ng pera ng chemo na hindi naman talaga mabubuhay yan. Itulong ko lang itong pera sa mabuhay. Yung patay, just to ease the pain, but you hurry up. Kasi hindi madali you give what? Chemo? Extend the life? Extend the suffering? What's the quality of life? Ganon. Ako magbigay ako ng pera, 5,000 sa babae. Tanungin mo mga taga Davao. Taga Davao yan. Sila yung, si Amy, 2,000 sa doktor, 3,000 sa kanila. Who they cannot work that day sa pagputol. Yan ang program ko. And well-meaning friends, one of them is Sunny Dominguez, the finance secretary, who by the way owns the Marco Polo. Ngayon ang contributor dyan sa family planning sa legation. Kukontribute yan, 1 million, 2 million, para lang to. Yan ang isang i-hurdle natin. Hindi ko sabihin na, but do not place too much importance about religion. Tutok ka lang sa Diyos. When you are in a moral quandary, do not go to your religion. It cannot help you. Maniwala kayo. At 74 years old, I'm telling you, you go direct to your God and pray and ask for guidance. Especially in matters of yung kasalanan yung mag-family planning. Of course, abortion is out of the question. I will not allow it. Just like itong Iceland, who initiated that signature campaign to condemn us sa extrajudicial killing. But do you know that in Iceland, they allow abortion up to 6 months? You add 1 more year, 1 more month, and you have the principle of intrauterine life. That if you give birth at 6 months, the baby will survive. Iceland allows the slaughter of the fetus inside the womb of the mother up to 6 months. Putang ina nila. They worry more of the drug lords at itong mga who are pushing drugs, killing our citizens, and creating a social dysfunction in almost all tinamaan. And there are about 1,600,000 of them who are slaves to a drug called shabu, which they need every day just to have the fix, and sometimes killing people to get the money to pay for it. Hindi na naintindihan yung mga gagong yan. Itong mga Iceland, palimbasa, ice ang kain. Wala namang tubig yan eh. Bobo ang mga putang ina niya. Just imagine, 6 months. You allow an innocent human being already thriving and living inside the mother's body. Sa Bisaya pa, ilarot mo yung just pull it. Pagka walang hiya itong mga puti talaga. Tapos tinuturuan ako kung ano ang gawin ko. I am sorry for you. That's why you are condemned there in the ice forever. I hope you will freeze in time.